If you ever have problems, go to the OBS forum. There's a lot of great people there. There's a lot of great information. The first thing that everybody's going to ask you for is your log file. This exact almost happened. My name is Hedy. Let's have a conversation. If you want to help faster on the OBS forums, make sure you include that log file. So I'm going to show you specifically in this video how to find the log files because it's that important. Go to help, go to show log files, and then grab that latest log file and get that uploaded to your post in OBS forums. When you go to ask for help, you're going to get help a lot faster because people are only going to be able to see what they need to see to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're wondering what to watch next, check out one of these videos. Until next time, relax, create, and repeat.